Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So guys, we will be using a third-party application. So you can just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store. And now you can just simply tap on the search and search for EC Share. So guys, just make sure you have downloaded this into your iPhone as well. So now just simply download and install the application. Now guys, once you have downloaded it, you can just simply go ahead and select open in order for you to proceed with the app. And pretty much you can just simply tap on agree down below and select agree. And now from here, you will have file transfer at the bottom. So you can just simply tap on transfer now. And pretty much over here, you want to select, I want to send that, guys. And now over here, select set. And pretty much over here, you can just simply select allow permission. And guys, there are some permission that you want to allow. So make sure to allow it, including your storage, your camera. So pretty much it will prompt you automatically that you need to allow it in order for you to proceed with this process. And right after that, as you can see, you should be able to have multiple categories, guys. We have the images or videos at the top. We have the audio, files, apps. So pretty much we could transfer everything that we have over here. And pretty much you would just simply go ahead and select a specific files that you want or data, and you should be able to select as many as you can and select send. And now pretty much over here, it will have a QR code, and you have to go to the easy share of your iPhone and select file transfer and select I want to receive on the other device and search for this device or scan this QR. So pretty much you can just simply select scan the QR at the top right corner of your easy share onto your iPhone and select authorize now and select allow, and pretty much you can just simply scan the QR code into your Android and you should be able to do this process. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.